In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. Curving text is a quick way to add polish to a badge, logo, label, or any design that needs a little movement. We'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to repeat on any project you're working on. Start by going to your project in Canva and opening the design you want to modify. Make sure you can see the text you want to change. Then, select that specific text by clicking directly on it. You'll know it's selected when the bounding box appears around the text. This step is important because the curve effect only applies to the text box that's highlighted, not the entire design. With the text selected, open the context options and click on Effects. This brings up the panel where all the text styling options live. On the left side of this panel, look for the section called Shape. That's where you'll find the curve option. Click Curve, and Canva will instantly apply a default arc to your text so you can see the effect right away. Now, fine-tune the look using the intensity slider. Dragging the slider to the right increases the curve, creating a stronger arc. Dragging it to the left softens the arc, and moving it past the midpoint will bend the text in the opposite direction. Watch how the letters reposition themselves as you slide. Longer phrases will naturally appear tighter on the curve, while shorter words will feel more open, so adjust the slider until the shape feels balanced for your font and message. As you tweak the curve, keep readability in mind. Large, bold fonts can handle deeper curves, while thin or script fonts often look best with a gentler bend. If the curve makes the text feel crowded or stretched, simply ease out the slider until the spacing looks natural again. You can use the default value as a reference point. Moving just a little in either direction can create a subtle, elegant arc without overwhelming your layout. Take a moment to look at how the curved text interacts with other elements in your design. Even a small adjustment to the curve intensity can help align it visually with shapes or images already on the canvas. If you don't love the result, no problem. Just move the slider back toward the center to reduce or remove the curve and try again. That's it. Open your project, select your text, click Effects, choose Curve, and adjust the intensity until it looks just right. Enjoy creating smooth, professional-looking curved text in Canva.